Waiting for the NBA playoffs.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Hey, what's the love?
Come on, let's go.
That's what they got me here.
Yeah.
Hey, don't worry about it.
Game 7, let's go.
It's not going to be easy. Come on.
He nailed it. Oh, my.
Go, 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 go.
Shoot it, drive it, move it.
Yes. Do you believe it?
Somehow Durant lets it go.
Batum throws the limit. A 3 for the game.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Terrence J, and welcome to Sounds of the Playoffs, the Rain On edition, baby. So far, the NBA playoffs have been an incredible ride. The opening round set all kinds of records with so many close games, big road wins, and countless big shots. So let's get things started with an unforgettable start to the 2014 postseason.
Welcome, everyone, to the NBA playoffs.
It's the best time of the year for the NBA fan.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's have some fun and play basketball, yo.
The Heat trying to go to a place that very few teams have gone, the three-peat.
James, difficult shot.
Hey, that's good D, though. That's good D.
Jeff backs up, lets it fly, hits a three! Oh, Jeff T!
Pierce, spin, Pierce, fades, book it!
That's why they got me here. That's why I'm in here.
Most out of bounds. Somehow Durant lets it go. The chance at 4.
Got what we want. Overtime.
Hey, let's play the defense the same way we've been playing on the road. Let's play the same way and take care of the ball. Let's go.
Butler in trouble, turns it over, on the run out, walk.
Oh, let's go. Keep attacking down there.
Run right here.
Let's make a run right here. Let's go. Run the time.
Lowry with the running hook. Big bucket.
That's the only thing that matters. Win by all means necessary.
Good possessions at both ends, and we got to fight every time.
McRoberts with the right hand over Anderson. A tremendous effort from the Charlotte Bobcats, but the defending champs are up 2 games to none.
You got to attack if you're going to win. Every loose ball has got to be yours, like it's the game on the line.
Saul left it short that time, got the rebound, and punched it home.
Good shots at the rim. Just stay with it, all right? Just trust each other.
Lillard puts his head down.
Wild shot, it's good, and 1.
Put together 3 or 4 stops in a row. Come on, just concentrate on good basketball right now.
Here's a steal by LeBron. Here comes a show.
They've gotten 3 offensive rebounds after we've gotten stopped. All right, we got to finish the possession. Hey, let's go get this next one. Let's go get this next one. Yes, sir. It's not going to be easy. It never is. You just keep on playing.
Parker the other way, the spin, the try, and he puts it through. Tony Parker.
Oh, my goodness! He nailed it!
Game 3 here in Atlanta. The Hawks take a series lead, 2 games to 1. And Memphis up by 4. Westbrook. Was fouled. It counts, and he'll go to the line.
We got an opportunity to come back and win this series, but we all have to believe.
Lynn out to Daniels. Daniels for 3. It's good! The rookie knocks down the 3. What an unlikely hero here for Houston.
Who will be the hero? Calderon throws it in. Carter in the corner. Got it.
Yes! Do you believe it? Vince Carter gets it done for the Mavericks.
With the win tonight, the Hawks have become just the 6th team ever to enter the NBA playoffs as an 8th seed and knock off the number 1 seed.
Paul George delivers. And Paul George taking over.
Huge one. Just happy to bring it back to Indiana for Game 7. Close the series out. That's what we're here for, all right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Heat sweep the Charlotte Bobcats.
It's an Oklahoma City team that won 59 games, and they are facing elimination here tonight. We've had 4 straight overtimes for the first time in NBA playoff history.
Nobody said it's going to be easy. We just got to play D. We still haven't played our best, right? Keep thinking, play better.
And brink elimination. That's more motivation for us all.
That's going to do it. The Raptors draw even. They win the game they had to win.
Here comes Wall. Heinrich is turned around. Wall all the way. What a roll. That will do it. The Wizards taking the opening round series convincingly.
Yeah! It's awesome!
Coming up, an amazing 5 deciding Game 7s. A rain-on look at an epic weekend.
Game 7. It's what everybody lives for.
We all we got it! We all we need! We all we got it! We all we need!
Russell, alley-oop. Jackson gets it and throws it down.
Go, 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 go!
Still looking. Ross got a hand on it. Threw it off of Pierce. It's Raptors ball.
We needed that. The adversity is good for us. These type of games build character, show who we are. Let's do it. Let's go get it together.
Welcome back to Sounds of the Playoffs, Rain On Edition.
Game 6 in our building. Gotta have it. Get ready for a Game 7. These are the moments right here. These moments we thrive for right now. Keep the season alive.
We got to be able to match our crowd's energy. They've been bringing it every game. We got to bring it tonight so we can make sure we don't have to go back to Houston.
It's Game 6 of this best-of-7 series.
Aggressive and play together. Play for each other. That's what it's all about.
Parker spins in the paint. Stops, layup, backs it in. Lowry with a great find. The flash is better.
We just got to keep fighting, guys. We're in good shape here. We got to get a physicality on the other end. Here we go. Let's keep playing, man. We're right there.
Williams could be the dagger. 3-ball is good. The Spurs are going to San Antonio, and the Mavericks are ready to chase them down.
We're down to 10 seconds left. Harden loses the hand. Got it back. Harden between the legs. Harden the jumper. Off the rim. No good. Lopez tried to keep it. Parsons scores with 9/10 left.
One of the most extraordinary first rounds the NBA has ever seen.
The 2 throws to Lillard. A 3 for the game.
How big was that ball? Big. Just like I said, on to Game 7 now.
Game 7! Welcome to Jurassic Park!
An unprecedented night in the history of the NBA.
5 Game 7s this year. That is an NBA record.
We had such a great playoffs last year, culminating in one of the best finals we've ever seen, and you didn't think there was any way to top it, and we're off to a pretty good start so far.
Game 7. That's what everybody lives for.
Just incredible to have 5 Game 7s in one weekend. We've never seen anything like it. I'm not sure we will again.
We know how important this game is. You know, we just got to go out there and leave it all out there on the floor. Game 7, let's get it.
The game ends. You have to say you played harder and smarter than your opponent for 48 minutes.
Stay disciplined, stay together. You know, one word, you see it up there. Finish.
This is what we play for right here.
Everything we got, man. Fight.
We all we got it!
We all we need.
We all we got it!
We all we need.
Great finish, Monte, right to the rack.
This is the 50th game of the first round.
Into the corner, DeRozan, step back 3. Got him all!
Knocked away by New England City. He'll run strong. And a foul counted. Steph Curry.
That's tough! That's the way to play tough!
Don't let up a lick. Not a lick.
Time to take control of the game. Okay, time to take control of the game.
Oh, and a little stop to PG.
Go, 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 go!
Game 7s reveal the true character of your team.
Still looking, still looking. Ross got a hand on it. Ross got it. Threw it off of Pierce. It's Raptors ball.
Westbrook the steal. 2-on-1 with Jackson. Russell, alley-oops. Jackson gets it and throws it down.
Big time, big time. Keep that up, keep that up.
Green will defend Griffin. The fake handoff and the drive and the collision and the tie! What a play!
Yeah! Yeah!
Final seconds of Game 7.
Lowry had it stripped, gets it back, shot, rejected! It's rejected!
And Game 7 is over. It's an instant classic.
Huge, man. Wasn't pretty, but we got the job done.
Tests like this in the early rounds, okay, can both pole vault you to a deep playoff run.
We needed that. The adversity is good for us, all right?
It's all about those two things: aggressiveness and execution.
Enjoy this. It's a hell of a win. Portland hasn't been here in a while.
Give me some. These type of games build character. Yes. These type of games build character, show who we are. Do it. Let's go get it together. Nobody said it was going to be easy.
This is all three. 1, 2, 3.
Together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Together. Stay that one.
Hey guys, I'm Terrence J, back again. Welcome to Sounds of the Playoffs Rain On Edition. Now, after that unbelievable first round of the NBA playoffs, it's time for everybody to take a deep breath before facing the next challenge. 8 teams were left, ready to battle things out in the conference semifinals. Let's get things started in the East.
They're going to come in trying to get one. That's all they want is one, and we got to protect home.
Hit that floor, positive impact, everybody. Take care of business in that. Pacers on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Pacers! After an historic round 1 in the NBA playoffs, round 2 begins.
Mentally prepare for a grind. Prove how important it is to you.
James attacking the basket, sending Brooklyn to a 19-point deficit.
Stay solid. Stay solid.
Just keep playing. There's a lot of time on the clock.
And it's way off the window. Miami winning by 21 in game 1.
You got to do things with a motor. That means get to your spaces right away.
Here's Allen, and that's a 3, and it goes.
Ray, good job, Ray. Good job, Ray. In the Big 3 era, the Heat have never lost a series with up 2-0.
I love where we're at with our pace. Stay with our pressure.
Wall across. On a kick, Ariza looks at the clock, fires, and hits!
Continue to score if we share the ball. We got to win it down there now. We got to lock it down.
Stevenson coughs it up. Wall triggers it. Beal steps into it. He buries it. The Wizards open the series with another road playoff win.
Hey. Your energy will get them back on their heels. Okay, get them on their heels.
Hibbert turns, shows the ball, and lays it in.
Man with the basketball attacks to create for others.
Stevenson inside. Hibbert gets it to go. Indiana evens the series with a hard-fought 86-82 win.
Another game on our home floor. Take care of home. That's it. Keep our pace of the game. Play D. Win the rebounding battle. I think we'll be good.
We already said it before, man. Their best cannot beat our best. We said that. Let's give them our best tonight.
Look, they're a good home team, okay? Start strong. Come out swinging on the glass, guys. Respond to our effort the other night. Here we go.
George, the rejected. Wall on the run, trying to beat the buzzer. He does. John Wall.
And look, we knew that backs are against the wall. We knew they're going to come out with great energy. Okay, now we got to respond to that.
Hibbert, huge impact in this third quarter.
Hey, don't worry about it.
Good D, Roy.
Indiana wins it in Washington.
Roll with them, all right? Let's go. We're going to win this game.
And Johnson bringing the lead for Brooklyn. Zelenovic, quick trigger, triple, and the Nets are killing them with the 3.
Got to get number 2. Even up this series. Here we come. Don't worry.
Hey, good pace, y'all. Good pace. Great.
24 points. He's got 4 threes in the third quarter.
Big shot. Good ball movement. Big D, sir. Hey, John. One more.
The pace has to stay here. No slowdown from here on out.
John Wall, a foul line, finds court top to the basket. Oh! And one! The Wizards take it to Indiana to force a 6th game.
Keep running. Sprint for each other.
Steal by LeBron. All the way he goes. Here comes Wade to James. LeBron.
Dominant performance by LeBron James. He finished with 49 points.
We look forward to going back home to our fans and getting the 4th win in the series. This is going to be a dogfight. I mean, we're playing against champions.
not going to be easy. You got to go take it.
Here's Chalmers, gives it up. Ray Allen will take the three.
Ray Allen, step back three. Allen from downtown.
You guys are built for this. Built for it. All right, come on. Come on. Foul line. Fumbled it. Never gets a shot off. Ball knocked loose by LeBron James. Miami wins it.
We're at the Verizon Center in Washington for Game 6. Pacers have another chance to move to the Eastern Conference Finals tonight.
It's a big game tonight. You got to take over and win.
Keep answering the call. Keep answering. Every time they score, they go on a run. We answer right back with solid offense.
Here's West finding Hill baseline for two.
I like seeing that ball move, though.
What a closeout performance here by the Pacers. And Indiana and Miami will get together again for a rematch in the Eastern Conference Finals.
Guys, we've been through a lot. Started strong, struggled down the stretch. All that's behind us. Like we said when we started the playoffs, it's all behind us. We're right where we want to be, right where we're back. Conference Finals, baby.
Welcome back to Sounds of the Playoffs, Rain On Edition.
We welcome you to Oklahoma City. Should be fun here tonight. A matchup with two of the highest scoring teams in the NBA.
You have two of the better teams in the West. It's always exciting in game one.
Welcome to San Antonio, Texas, as the Blazers open up second-round play against the defending Western Conference champions.
Let's respect them, but we can beat them, man. Let's take it to them, man. Let's go.
And away we go. Ball shoots another three. Bingo! Parker's got 17. Double. Duncan free to fire. How about the pass there by Tony Parker?
Don't let up, all right? Defense and offense. Don't let up, guys.
Paul pulls it back for three.
Yes! Oh, baby! You got to be in attack and playing with each other. So we're executing offensively.
Here's Ginobili, a three. Good night, Portland.
A convincing victory for the Clippers in game number one.
Kevin Durant, you are the NBA Kia Most Valuable Player. Congratulations.
Here comes Durant. Durant on the pressure. Durant!
Defense and passing for 12 more minutes. We go to LA tied up.
It never gets old watching him play. I mean, he is shot out of a cannon. Westbrook got the stone. So this series will be tied at one apiece.
Go Spurs, go!
The old vets making all the right plays, Dave. Portland searching for answers.
Yeah, team.
It's going to be 2-0. Spurs heading to Rip City.
Yeah!
Welcome to Portland, Oregon, where the Blazers return.
Hey. Here we go.
We gotta go. We gotta play. Lillard got past Mills. Lopez throws it down. San Antonio trying to take a 3-0 series lead. Parker through the lane. Ginobili.
Best mid-range shooter on the team.
San Antonio dominates again.
Let's get our focus on basketball. All of them. All right? Let's go.
Griffin barrels in. Clippers up by one.
Let's have our best two-way quarter. I feel a bunch of threes in us.
Westbrook for three. Pucks it in. Durant turns and hits. Oklahoma City wins back-to-back games and now leads 2-1.
When you are eye to eye with being eliminated, do you blink or do you fight?
Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Reason we're in is because of our defense. Get some stop and trust it.
Defended by Harden. Knocked away by Batum. Lillard. Nice one. Durant move. And then brings it down hard. And the Blazers keep the series alive.
Ain't no party like a Clippers party because the Clippers party don't stop. Right here is our time. Okay? Let's go. Let's go right now. Focus doing the things that we did to get this lead.
Durant has it. Double pump. The layup goes and Jordan fouls him.
You don't have to do more than what you do. Just do what you do.
Collison, the fake. Fakes again, the drive. Layup is good.
And the Clippers come from 22 back to even this series at 2 apiece.
Give me something. Give me something.
The whole time I'm just thinking it can't be down 3-1. And for us to just battle and continue to fight and able to tie this series up going to Oklahoma.
Keep pushing that ball up, all right?
Ball looking for an opening. Another fake. Oh, beautiful move.
That is really good basketball like that. Got back in this game by defending. Let's hold him down right here. Couple of stops. Paul is back. Durant scores. Westbrook with this ball. Slashing. Blue by Paul. Then challenge Davis and let me tell Mateo. Thunder comes from behind. They have one game tied.
Elimination game tonight. The Spurs are 3 games to 1.
The end of the night. You want to say you played harder and smarter than your opponent.
Portland turnover. That's unraveling for the Blazers. 12 turnovers, 6 in this quarter alone. Look at the speed of Leonard. He drops it in high. Oh my goodness. San Antonio goes to the Western Conference Finals for the 3rd consecutive year.
Well, glad that's over. I congratulate those guys. They got a bright future. A bunch of young guys who play their butts off.
We've been survivors all year. All right, this ain't the time to let the rope go.
Here's Paul, desperate for his team to force a Game 7.
Just focus on competing, right? Just focus on competing. Good things will happen.
Oh, beautiful setup, the two-man game. 35 for Durant.
Memo to all Clippers. Do not leave the MVP wide open.
That'll do it. The Thunder reached their 3rd conference final in the last 4 years.
Way to go, Tim.
You guys did a great job of attacking and putting yourself in a position to win. That's what this team is about. Everybody's sticking together.
Together on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Together.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Sounds of the Playoffs, the Rain On edition. I'm Terrence J, and it's time to go, but I'm going to leave you with some of the top Rain On moments from the first 2 rounds of the postseason.
Yeah, this right here is a mess. Stand up.
Scott with a cut. Oh, my goodness! Mike Scott!
And the drive and the collision and the tie! What a play! Westbrook for 3 and he's fouled. It counts and he'll go to the line. Lillard